Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj Sir, your mathematics teacher. I am teaching maths since last 30 years. Today I am going to start a new chapter from central tendency. First I have taught you mean. I have sums also I have done. I will do 2-3 sums more later on. First I have to explain you median. This is another part of that. Median, first of all, I will give all the formulas to you. Already you know there are 3 types of series there. I explained already: individual series, discrete series, and continuous and discontinuous series. Median also 3 types. One, in this series how to do, in this series how to do, and this series how to do. That only you have to understand. So first we see observation. What is that? Let 2, 4, 5, 0, 1, 7, 8. This is given. Okay, children? Now, if I want to say you that you have to find out median. Median means in the middle value. Middle value you have to find out. What is that? First, we have to arrange this in ascending order. In ascending order, you have to arrange. Okay. Arrange ascending order. What is that? That means 0 first, 1, then 2, then 4, then 5, then 7, and then 8. Now you have to count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is 7. N is number of observation. What is that? 7. So if 7, that means n is odd. Easily I can say which is median. If n is odd, which is the middle? In the middle 4. So 4 is the median. How to find that I explain you. I will give the formula to you. Now this is the median 4. But you think one another value is there, 9 is given. Another value 9 is given. That time what happens? Now n becomes 8. That means even number. So whenever even number is there, then how to find the middle one? Middle one will not come. If 4 is in this side, 4 is in that side. Then middle nothing is there. This 4 is not in the middle. Because this side 3 is there, this side 4 terms is there. So this is not in the middle. Now if I say 5, this is also not in the middle term. Because 3 terms this side, 4 terms this side. Now it is a confusion to you. Which is the middle one? That time middle terms, there will be 2 terms. That means these 2 in the middle. These 2 in the middle. Which one? 4 and 5. So n is even. That time there are 2 middle terms. So what you have done? Whenever n value is odd, 1 middle term. When n value is even, that time 2 middle terms. This is clear? Now according to this, we have to learn some formula. That formula I want to write here, that I can understand it. First, n equal to odd numbers. N what is? Odd numbers. Okay. What is the median formula? Median equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation, or term you can write, or observation you write. This is the formula. When n is odd number, let 5 numbers are given. Third one is there. So 5 plus 1, 2. That means third one is your median. Okay. So what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2. This you have to use. When you have to use? When value of n is odd numbers. That means 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, like that. Okay. Now, let's second part. When n is equal to even numbers. N equal to even numbers. That time there are 2 middle terms. There are 2 terms are there. Their average is actually answer. So how to write that? Median equal to n by 2 term. Means one term I will get and the next term also. That means n by 2 plus 1. That is the next one. On this basis, I will do sums. More nicely you understand the formula of this. And these 2 plus it and divide by 2. Okay children. So median in individual series we have done 2 things. What is? When n is odd numbers, this is formula. When n is even numbers, this is formula. But you have to apply the formula after arranging all the numbers in ascending order. In the all the numbers in ascending order. That also keep in mind. So after you have to arrange. Here I am writing to understand, arrange all numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, children? Arranging and then see what is the value of n. N is even or odd. If even, apply this formula. If odd, apply this formula. Now next part I have to come. That is for quartiles. Now children, the second part we have to learn about the quartiles. What is that? One line is there. Let's here from here to here one line is there. If I have to find the middle portion, that is called median. So that is called Q2. What is called this? Q2. That is 50%. Middle term is 50%. Then another quartile is that is Q1 and Q3. Q1 and Q3. What is Q1? That is Q1 is this 25%. Okay, and the Q3 is this one, that is 75%. So I have learned just now Q2. Now we have to understand about Q1 and Q3. What is Q1? Lower quartile, and what is Q3? Upper quartile. So these two formula also you have to know. Now lower quartile where you will do or upper quartile you will do. That time also there are two terms. One is even, another for odd. How to find the even ones and how to find the odd ones, that one you have to understand. Now, lower quartile, I have to find out. Lower quartile. N. N is given, N observation is given. Now, N may be odd, maybe even. N what is? Maybe odd and maybe even. That is, what to do here? N plus 1 by 4 term. When I have to use? For n equal to odd. Okay children? When n is odd, that time you have to do n plus 1 by 4 term. Clear? Now, what to do another one? N by 4. 4 term. When I have to apply this? When n equal to even. Clear children? Lower quartile is clear to you. Formula I don't understand. While doing sums, we have to understand how to apply this formula over there. For lower quartile, n plus 1 by 4 term. For n is odd numbers and n by 4 term. That is what n for even numbers. Now we have to understand about what is upper quartile. Upper quartile means what is children? Q3. This one we have I taught you Q1 and what is this? Q3. Okay, Q3 means what is 75%. That time what to do? Then we have to write here 3n plus 1 by 4 means 3/4 means 75%. Okay, 3n by 4 term write down. This one I have to apply when n is odd. Okay, understood? When n is odd, then you have to apply this. Now you can understand so many formulas there. Nothing is this. Only once you understand what to sums you will do, very easy for you. Now see, another one I have to do what is 3n by 4 term. This is applied when n is even. So one summary remember, whenever odd is that plus 1 do. When is even is there plus 1 don't do. Bas. This is what you have to remember. So here n plus 1 why I have done? To make it even. Because n given odd. 7, 9, 11, 13 given plus 1 then by 4. Why by 4? 1/4 I want. That is 25%. And whenever even is given, don't add 1. Okay? In all the cases, same thing you have to do. So that we have understand lower quartiles and upper quartiles. Then overall for individual series what we have done? We have done median. There are two formulas are there for even odd. Lower quartile, there are two formulas is this, and then upper quartile, there are two formulas is given. So all these, and one more thing is that is interquartile range. Sometimes it asks, what is that? Interquartile range. That also I will write here. Interquartile range. What is that today? That is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1. That is called interquartile range. And another is called semi-interquartile range. Nothing divided by 2 you have to do. Okay, semi one half. Semi you know? That is semi means half you have to do. So interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. If Q3, Q1 easily you know, then easily you can find out interquartile range. Then overall we have learnt about the individual series concept I explained you. Then I have to explain some new thing. All these remember. In the next video we will do some sums that will match with this, but you have to learn this one first. Otherwise, while doing sums, sum is not clear to you. Okay, goodbye children.